Hello and welcome to the Columbia at the Brewery District. I'm your realtor, Felix Capitulo, with the Capitulo Brothers Real Estate Group, and today I'm here to show you a brand new apartment in New Westminster's newest neighborhood, built by West Group. Let's take a look. This two-bedroom unit features laminate wood flooring, white quartz countertops, and matching cabinetry, giving this space a modern elegance. Featuring a chef's kitchen, fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and a large island, you'll have all the tools you'll need to try out that new recipe and to entertain. With a great floor plan, you'll come to appreciate and admire the separated bedrooms, dining room, two spa-inspired bathrooms, and the unit's oversized balcony overlooking the Fraser River. You will also have access to Club Central, the community's 10,000 square foot amenity center, fully equipped with an indoor lounge, a sauna and steam room, squash courts, and fitness center. Finally, everything you need is only a 5-minute stroll away, as you're surrounded by restaurants, grocery stores, cafes, various shops, and most importantly, the Sky Crane Station. If this is the type of home you've been looking for, feel free to give me a call. As always, thanks for stopping by.